Installation of geomembrane. This is the lake that we are going to put here the geomembrane. It is 1 mm thick. That will control the seepage, water losses from the inner water body. Let me show you the sheet. So this is the sheet, and we are using it through proper welding. This is 1 mm thick. You can see the thickness, and we are using it with the proper welding machine, and all the joints are properly welded. It's about 270 degrees C. The machine that we are using, the heating joint, so the heat that he provides, that is about 250 degrees C of the machine. So the roll that we have here is about 50 meter in length, and their width is about 11 feet, which is not exactly the 3 meter. It's a bit more than 3 meter. Once that is complete, then here you can see that we have anchored the sheet inside the trench. So the trench, you can see further there is a trench, and once that is properly jointed, then the sheet will be put in that trench in L shape like this, and the trench will be backfilled with the soil. And later on this area, on this side, this is the safety bit. Here we will put the stones, a lot of stones, so that there is a safety. And when we will fill the lake with the water, then there will be no problem. So that is the lake construction of the golf course. Soon you will watch more videos about the golf course construction and landscape construction. Please subscribe the channel and like the videos.